Dear students, Namaskaram. This video is for the students of class 7 who are going to appear for the annual examination in the subject Sanskrit. The textbook is Deepakam. You know very well, in the annual examination in Sanskrit question paper, there are 4 parts: Apadita Avabodhanam, Rajanatmakam Karyam, Anuprayukta Vyakaranam, Padita Avabodhanam. That is reading, writing, grammar and literature. In the reading section, you will be getting a passage. Read the passage and answer the questions given. There are 3 types of questions: Ekapadena Uttarada, Ekavakyena Uttarada, Nirdeshanusaram Uttarada. Ekapadena Uttarada is answer in 1 word. Ekavakyena Uttarada, answer in 1 sentence. And Nirdeshanusaram Uttarada is grammar questions. In grammar questions, there will be word meaning, opposite, Visheshanam, Visheshyam, Kartrapadam, Kriyapadam, etc. In the writing section, you will get a picture and there will be 5 sentences. 5 blanks will be there, 5 words will be given, and you have to fill up the sentences by selecting the suitable words given. Okay, that is there in writing section. And Visheshna Visheshya Padana Melanam also is coming. And all remaining questions will be from textbook. So in this video, I would like to give you some important tips, some important questions. These questions you should not leave. You have to learn by heart. Okay, definitely you can expect those questions in the annual examination. So the very, very important questions from the textbook I would like to explain in this video. The first question I would like to tell you is page number 13, exercise number 8. Page number 13. Exercise number 8. And what is given here? 4 tables are given. Bhavadi, Bhavadaha, Bhavanti, Bhavasi, Bhavadaha, Bhavadha, Bhavami, Bhavavaha, Bhavamaha. Similarly, Astistaha, Sandhi, Asistaha, Sta, Asmi, Swaha, Smaha, Ichchadi, Ichchadaha, Ichchandi, Ichchasi, Ichchadaha, Ichchadha, Ichchami, Ichchavaha, Ichchamaha, Agachchadi, Agachchadaha, Agachchandi, Agachchasi, Agachchadaha, Agachchada, Agachchami, Agachchavaha, Agachchamaha. These all are let lakar. Let lakar is present tense. All this Dadurubam is present tense only. So learn by heart this. You will be getting 1 word and the remaining words Ekavajanam, Divajanam, Bahuvajanam and Pradhama Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha, Uttama Purusha, that you have to write. So learn by heart these tables. Okay, this is very, very important. Now the next important question is page number 26. 6th question. Page number 26, 6th question, that is Tridiya Vibhaktehe Prayogam Krutva Rikta Sthanani Pureda. Okay, that type of question is coming for your annual examination. So here Tridiya Vibhaktehe, some exercise, in the exercise some questions are given. Sudha Gandena, Sudha Gandabhyam, Sudha Gandehi. Sudha Gandena is Tridiya Vibhakti. Okay. Sudha Gandena, Tridiya Vibhakti Ekavajanam, Sudha Gandabhyam, Divajanam, Sudha Gandehi, Bahuvajanam. Similarly, Vrikshena, Vrishabhyam, Vrishaihi. Then the next word is given Lataya. Lata Shabd is Sriling. In Sriling Tridiya Vibhakti, there is a difference. Lataya. It is coming Lataya, Lataya, Latabhyam, Latabihi. So that you have to note down. In Pulling and Nabumsaka Ling, Tridiya Vibhakti is the same. Okay, there is no difference. Pulling and Nabumsaling. But in Sriling, It is coming lataya, latabhyam, latabhihi. Deshena, deshabhyam, deshehi. Punyena, punyabhyam, punyehi. Vinayena, vinayabhyam, vinayehi. So this question you can expect for your annual examination. Okay, study well. Now next important is page number 80, fourth question. Page number 80, fourth question. That is Prashna Nirmanam. Hiranyakashipuhu agachati. Hiranyakashipuhu is the word underlined. So you have to write the question word according to Vibhakti. Hiranyakashipuhu is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavajanam. So the question word is Kaha. Hiranyakashipuhu Kaha. Surasuraha. That is Prathama Bahuvajan. So the question word will be K. Surasuraha sarve bidaha bhavishyanti. K sarve bidaha bhavishyanti. So on the place of that underlined word you have to write the question word. Gadgena. Answer Kena. Prahladam. Kam. Sarvatra. Kutra. Putrasya. Kasya. Nichanakehi. Kaihi. Okay, this is very important. Prashna Nirmanam is a question for your annual exam. In Prashna Nirmanam there is you are getting 4 marks. Don't miss this mark. Study all Prashna Nirmanam given in the exercise of chapters. Again it is coming that I will explain. Then page number, next important question is page number 82, 7th question. Page number 82, 7th question. That is Udaharananusaram Vakyani Vartamanakaladah Bhavishyat Kale Parivartayantu. Change the verb from present tense into future tense. Sa Abanam Gachadi. She is going to market. Sa Abanam Gachadi. Here the verb is Gachadi. You have to change this verb into future. Gachadi, Gamishyadi. Other words, Sa Abanam. Okay, that is subject and object, there is no change. Only you have to change the verb. The given verb is in present tense, that you have to change into future tense. So Gachadi will become Gamishyadi. Similarly, next exercise, Kridati, Kridishyadi. Ghadandi, Ghadishyandi. Kurvandi, Karishyandi. That you have to note down. Kurvandi will become Karishyandi. Okay, note down, that is very important. Padhami, Padishyami. Vadasi, Vadishyasi. Likhavaha, Lekishyavaha. There also a slight difference is there. Likhavaha, Lekishyavaha. Then Gachatha, Gamishyatha. Bhavataha, Bhavishyataha. Smaramaha, Smarishyamaha. So this is one type of question for your annual examination. Change the verb form from present tense into future tense. Okay. Now the next important is page number 92, exercise number 1. Page number 92, exercise number 1. Here what is given? Here amna. Sentences are given and you have to write whether it is right or wrong. Right means am, wrong na. Kim vayam pradibhyaha putraha putryaha cha smaha. We are all the sons and daughters of earth. നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും ഭൂമിയുടെ പുത്രന്മാരും പുത്രിമാരും ആകുന്നു. That is right. ആം. കിം രത്നം അന്വേഷ്യതി. രത്നം മറ്റുള്ളവരെ അന്വേഷിച്ചു പോകുന്നുണ്ടോ എന്നാണ് ചോദ്യം. ന. രത്നത്തെ അന്വേഷിച്ച് ആൾക്കാർ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരികയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദ ആൻസർ ഈസ് ന. കിം ശീലം ശ്രേഷ്ഠം ആഭൂഷണം അസ്തി. വെദർ ദ ക്യാരക്ടർ ഈസ് ദ ബെസ്റ്റ് ഓർണമെൻറ്റ്. സ്വഭാവം ശ്രേഷ്ഠമായ ആഭരണം ആണോ എന്നാണ് ചോദ്യം. ആൻസർ ആം. കിം ശരീരം ആദ്യം ധർമ്മസാധനം. ധർമ്മം നേടുന്നതിനുള്ള ആദ്യത്തെ ഉപകരണമാണ് ശരീരം. ഓക്കെ, ബോഡി ഈസ് ദി മീൻസ് ഓഫ് ഏണിംഗ് ധർമ്മ. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ആം. കിം ഗുണാനാം സർവദായവ ആദരഹ ഭവതി. ഗുണങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലായ്പ്പോഴും ആദരവ് ലഭിക്കുന്നു. ശരിയാണോ? ആം. ക്രിയാശീലഃ ഏവ വിദ്വാൻ ഭവതി. ക്രിയാശീലഃ എനർജറ്റിക്. എനർജറ്റിക് and hard working man only is a scholar. Answer is right. Kim asmabihi kevalam manoranjakani vakyani vaktavyani. We should speak only the beautiful words which are making our mind happy. നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിനെ സന്തോഷിപ്പിക്കുന്ന വാക്കുകൾ മാത്രമേ നമ്മൾ പറയാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ എന്നാണ് ചോദ്യം. അല്ല, ഹിതകരവും പ്രിയങ്കരവുമായ വാക്കുകളാണ് പറയേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഹിതകരമായ വാക്കുകൾ ചിലപ്പോൾ മനോരഞ്ജകമായിരിക്കണമെന്നില്ല. മനസ്സിലായോ? അതുകൊണ്ട് ആൻസർ ന. യഹ സദാ സുഖം ഇച്ഛതി കിം സഹ വിദ്യാം പ്രാപ്നോതി. ഇഫ് എ പേഴ്സൺ വാണ്ട്സ് ടു ഗെറ്റ് ഹാപ്പിനെസ് ആൾവേസ്, വെദർ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് പോസിബിൾ ടു ഗെറ്റ് എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഫോർ ഹിം. അതായത് എപ്പോഴും സുഖം വേണം എന്നാഗ്രഹിക്കുന്ന ഒരാൾക്ക് വിദ്യ ലഭിക്കുമോ എന്നാണ് ചോദ്യം. ഇല്ല. ന ഈസ് ദി ആൻസർ. Okay, so very important. Amna, that is a type of question for you in the annual exam. Okay, page number 92, exercise number 1, very important. Next, page number 93, exercise number 4. Page 93, exercise number 4, Rekhankita Padani Aditya Prashna Nirmanam. Prashna Nirmanam is coming in this chapter also. So, these Prashna Nirmanam also you have to study well. Sheelam is underlined. So the question word is Kim. Sheelam, Kim, Pridivyaha, Kasyaha, Gunishu, Keshu, Vajaha, Kim. Okay, very important. Word and the question word both you should study well. Okay, and don't miss that mark. Okay, that is very important. Then the sixth question. Adholigidana padana samanarthaka padani chittva ligada. That is also very important. Sudaha means putraha. Putraha meaning son, magan. Pradhamam adyam, first. Dhanam arthaha, wealth. Avastha, vayaha, age. Vajanam, vajaha, word. Acharanam, sheelam, character. Very important. Okay, this is word meaning. It's a very important question for your annual exam. Okay, then next comes next important question is page number 100, fourth exercise. Page number 100, fourth exercise is very important. Mada Apanad Griham Gachi. That also is Prashna Nirmanam. Here Apanad is Panchami Vibhakti. For making question, we have to write Kudaha or Kasmad. Both are right. You can write either Kudaha or Kasmad for this question. Apanad, Kudaha, Kasmad. Vidyalayad also Kudaha, Kasmad. Maheshad, Kudaha or Kasmad. Grihad, Kudaha or Kasmad. Himalayad, Kudaha or Kasmad. Okay, so you can expect this question also in the section Prashna Nirmanam. Okay, then next important question is page number 111, seventh question. Page number 111, seventh question. Here, Anganam Sthane Sankhya Vachaka Shabdan Likhada. Anganam Sthane അക്കങ്ങളുടെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് സംഖ്യാവാചക പദം. സംസ്കൃതത്തിൽ ഓരോ സംഖ്യയ്ക്ക് ഏത് പദമാണ് പറയുന്നത് അത് എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ, അതാണ്. ഏക പാഠശാല അസ്തി. Okay, Padashala is railing. So, Ega. So, here you should remember one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. ഈ 4 അക്കങ്ങൾക്കും സംസ്കൃതത്തിൽ പുല്ലിംഗ്, സ്ത്രീലിംഗ്, നപുംസലിംഗ് ഡിഫറൻസസ് ഉണ്ട്. പുല്ലിംഗ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഏകഹ, സ്ത്രീലിംഗ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഏക, നപുംസലിംഗ് ഏകം. ഓക്കെ, 1 എന്നതിന് പുല്ലിംഗത്തിലും സ്ത്രീലിംഗത്തിലും നപുംസലിംഗത്തിലും വ്യത്യാസമുണ്ട്. ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. ഏകഹ, ഏക, ഏകം. 2-നാണെങ്കിൽ ദ്വൗ, ദ്വേ, ദ്വേ. സ്ത്രീലിംഗവും നപുംസലിംഗവും ദ്വേ എന്ന് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. പുല്ലിംഗത്തിൽ ദ്വൗ എന്ന് പറയും 2-ന്, ഫോർ 2. 3, ത്രയഃ, തിസ്രഃ, ത്രീണി. 4, ചത്വാരഃ, ചതസ്രഃ, ചത്വാരി. Okay, and 5 onwards there is no difference. Pancha, pancha, pancha. Okay, no difference. So eka padashala. Here padashala is striling, so eka will come. Then 3, next is 3. Trayaha adhyapakaha. Adhyapakaha pulling, so trayaha adhyapakaha. Next is 20. For 20, Sanskrit word is Vimshati. Then dash Nirishagaha, one Nirishagaha. Nirishagaha pulling, Ekaha Nirishagaha. Then 15 Chatraha, Panchadasha Chatraha. 5 Anupasthidaha, 5 Sanskrit word is Pancha. Then 10 Dasha. 2 Chatrau is the word, so Chatrau is pulling, Divajan, so Dau Chatrau. Then 7 Sapta. Next one 1 Chatraha, Chatraha pulling, Ekaha Chatraha. Then for 10 Dasha. Next one is 12 Dwadasha. Next one 9 Nava. Okay, so this is very important, Sankhya Vajaka Shabdam. So learn by heart. This very very important. And in page 112 and 113 also Sankhya's are given. So that also you just go through these pages. Okay. Now the next important question is page number 123, fifth question. 123, fifth question is very very important. Here Samujidani Padani Chitta Visheshana Anusaram Visheshya Padam. Visheshana Visheshyam. Okay. Visheshana Visheshya Padana Melanam. So in Visheshana Visheshyam you will be getting words and Visheshanam in one column, Visheshyam in another column. You have to match these two columns together. Okay. Match the following. That type question will be coming. Not like this. Here one box is given, Visheshanas are Visheshyas are given, and you have to write this. Like that it is given in this exercise, page number 123, 123, fifth question. But for you, according to blueprint, you will be getting two columns, one column Visheshanam, next column Visheshyam. So here you can remember one thing, Visheshanam and Visheshyam should be same linga, same vibhakti, same vajanam. Okay, that is a clue for you to select the right word. Okay, so Nutane. Nutane is Saptami, Nutane Grihe. Nutane Saptami, Grihe Saptami. Rektayam, Shadigayam. Sudirgaha, Margaha. Both are pulling. Unnadan, Vrikshan. Unnadan, Vrikshan. Didiya Bahuvajan, Vrikshan. Stulaya, Chadurti, Gajaya. Stulaya, Gajaya. Pavitram, Gurukulam. Uttamani, Pustagani. Uttamani, Pustagani. Pustagani is Nabumsalinga, Bahuvajan, so Uttamani, Pustagani. Sundari, Yuvadi. Srilinga Ekavajan. Sundari, Yuvadi. Vishalam, Padashalam. Tasya, Tatasya. Shashti Ekavajan. Okay, so Visheshanam and Visheshya will be same linga, same vibhakti, same vajanam. Okay, accordingly you have to select and match the words. Very very important, so don't miss that mark. Okay, study. Next important question is page number same page, sixth question. Here Sarvanama Visheshana Padani Chitva Vakyani Pureda. That type of question is there in your blueprint, so you can expect this question. Here in the box some words are given. These words are Sarvanama words. In Sarvanama, Pulling is there, Sriling is there, Nabumsaling is there. Okay, so you have to use this Visheshanam, Sarvanama Visheshanam according to the ling. Okay, first one dash Pushpanam. Pushpam is Nabumsaling, Pushpanam is Shashti Bahuvajan. So Shashti Bahuvajan you have to select from the box. Shashti Bahuvajan Sarvanama Shabda. Tesham is Shashti Bahuvajan. So Tesham Pushpanam. Next one dash Vruddha. Vruddha is Sriling Ekavajan. So select Sriling Ekavajan Sarvanama Padam, which is that one Esha. Esha Vruddha. Chitre. Nabumsaling Saptami. Chitre. So Sarvanama Padam also should be Nabumsaling Saptami. Tasmin. Tasmin Chitre. Next one Shishakaha. Shishakaha Pradhama Ekavajan. So select the Sarvanama Shabdam Pradhama Ekavajan Saha. Saha Shikshakaha. Balagaha Pradhama Bahuvajan. So Pradhama Bahuvajan Sarvanama Shabda Te. Te Balagaha. Then Pushpam. Pushpam is Nabumsalingi Ekavajan. So Sarvanamapadam Nabumsalingi Ekavajan is Tad. Tad Pushpam. Then Kandugena. Kandugena is Tridiya Tena Kandugena. Sishigaha Sriling Bahuvajan. So Sriling Bahuvajan Sarvanamapadam Taha. Taha Sishigaha. Mayuru. Mayuraha is Pulling. Mayuru Pulling Divajan. So Pulling Divajan Sarvanamapadam Tau. Tau Mayuru. Baligaye Chadurti. Srilingam Chadurti Vibhakti Ekavajan Tassi Baligaye. Okay, these all are the Sarvanamapadam. So select this Sarvanamapadam according to the gender. According to the gender and Vajan. Okay, Lingavum Vajanavum Anusarichana Sarvanamapadam select cheyendadu. So this is a very important question. In the blueprint it is given. Ujida Sarvanama Shabdam select cheyത് വാക്യങ്ങൾ പൂരിപ്പിക്കുക. Okay, so very important, study that. Okay, now next important question is page number 133, 133, fifth exercise. 133, fifth exercise. That also Prashna Nirmanam. Okay, Maharana Sangrama Simhasya Brada Prithvirajaha. Maharana Sangrama Simhasya is the word underlined. That is Shashti Vibhakti. So the question word is Kasya. Saha Pullinga Pradama. So question word Kaha. Saha Kaha. Shayanasthane. It is a place. So Kutra. Then Rashtrahidam Kim. Chandanam Kam. Tasyaha Kasyaha. Tasyaha is Shashti Vibhakti Ekavajan. So Tasyaha Kasyaha. Udayasimhaha Pradama Ekavajan Kaha. Mama Shashti. Mama is Shashti. Kasya. Okay, don't make mistake. Mama is Shashti. So Shashti Pulling Shashti. So Kasya. Okay, this coming Kasya. Now next, okay, these are the important questions you can expect from the grammar portions. And the literature part, what all are questions you can expect from the literature part, that I will be doing in the next video. So you can subscribe this channel. CPR Sanskrit is the name of the channel. You can subscribe this channel, then you will be getting notification of the next video that is regarding literature part. Okay, thank you children.